My colleague Sir John Simon and myself have come to Paris in order that we may have the pleasure of exchanging views with the French government. Well, we have been discussing today the problems of Lausanne and the wider problems of how to create a peaceful world. And I'm very, very pleased indeed to say that the result of the expression of our views, the examination of our views, has been to advance, I believe, very substantially the prospects of a successful Lausanne conference.
Anglais et Français, pénétrés de cette idée, passionnés du désir de servir la cause de la paix, nous avons dirigé vers ce but nos efforts.